So what we want to finally do is to clean up our EC2 instances. You know, we created some instances, some snapshots, some other couple things. So what we want to do is to actually delete them or remove them or deactivate them, because if you don't, in the long run, AWS will charge you, and we are just using all this for practical. So what you want to do is to actually click on dashboard at the top left on the sidebar there. Okay, so when you click on dashboard, this is going to show you all the resources you are actually using at the moment. And then you can see you have 2 instances running, so that we need to delete it. Elastic IPs, we have some keepers. Now some of these they are not going to be charged. Okay, this snapshot will remove this snapshot from there. Volumes will delete the volumes. Security group, you don't get charged. Now load balancer, I have one load balancer. You wouldn't be having this, by the way, so it should be 0 in your own case. Okay, and so let's actually remove the necessary ones. So to do this, anyone you know you are having active, just right click on it. Okay, so when you right click, then open link in a new tab. So let's do the same for snapshots. So right click on snapshots, then open a new tab. Then let's see volumes. So right click on volumes and then open link in new tab as well. Okay, so those 3. So in your new tab, you see them, you know, this different one. So let's click on the EC2 instance and see what we have first. So remember, we created these 2 EC2 instance just for some practicals. So what we are going to do is to terminate it. We want to delete it completely, okay, because we are moving to a newer section, Amazon S3 very soon. So check both of it, and then when you actually do that, you can come to instance state and then you can terminate, or you right click on any one of it and terminate. So this asks you if you want to terminate, so you click on terminate, that is delete. Okay, so this actually deletes it completely from there. So let's go to the second tab, right, in this case. Okay, so for this we also have some snapshots which we don't even need again. So you want to make sure you check both of it, and then you can actually delete snapshots. Okay, so then you want to type delete to actually delete that. Okay, now it says failed to delete. Okay, so it's very important. So it says this snapshot is currently in use by an AMI. You remember we created an AMI, so that's why this snapshot is unable to delete. So don't worry, so we actually have to delete the AMI. So just come to where it says AMIs on the sidebar there. So we are going to deactivate or basically delete this AMI. Okay, so click on the checkbox, or you right click, then actions, then deregister AMI. Okay, then you can actually deregister AMI. Okay, good. So then you go back to the snapshots. Okay, then you can click on the checkbox again, and then we can finally delete snapshots by typing delete, and then let's see if that deletes it. So it says successfully deleted. Okay, so lastly the volumes. So let's click on volumes to also delete the volumes we have. So click on both of it to check it, and then on actions, then delete volume. Okay, then we also type delete to delete that as well. Okay, so we have everything deleted now. So if we go back to dashboard, so by clicking on dashboard again, okay, you would actually see now that basically everything is clean. The keeper is not something AWS charges, neither is the security groups. But I kind of like still have 2 instances here. If you still have something like some number here, if it's not 0, just right click and open a new tab. Okay, so it looks like we haven't deleted the instances. I thought we did just now. Okay, so they are terminated actually. So that, I mean, it's gone, but it doesn't just delete instantly. But don't worry, as long as you are seeing terminated here, it means it's completely deleted. Okay, so I think that's just basically all. Just make sure that your everything is actually clean. Okay, so apart from the keepers and then the security groups, and I mean, you can refresh. Okay, so just to make sure that everything is actually clean actually. So apart from the security groups and keeper, I think everything else should be 0. Don't worry, this is going to also delete completely soon. Okay, so that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.